Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Ausflug. Maybe this time we could learn about something more fun and relaxing. How about a trip? The German word for it is der Ausflug, and that is the topic of today's video. Der Ausflug. Der Ausflug. Der Ausflug. Der Ausflug is a masculine noun, which gets an umlaut in its plural form, die Ausflüge. This word means trip, as in day trip or excursion. So, let's take a trip. Take a look at some examples. Der Ausflug auf dem Bauernhof hat den Kindern Spaß gemacht. The children enjoyed the trip to the farm. Morgen machen wir einen Ausflug nach New York. Tomorrow we'll take a trip to New York. Er beschloss, auf den Ausflug zu verzichten, um Geld zu sparen. He decided to forgo the trip in order to save money. Ich packe Snacks für unseren Ausflug ein. I'm packing snacks for our trip. Es ist ein perfekter Tag für einen Ausflug in den Wald. It's a perfect day for a day trip into the woods. Das Hotel bietet Ausflüge zu Sehenswürdigkeiten an. The hotel offers excursions to sites. Today we learned about the masculine noun der Ausflug, whose plural form is die Ausflüge. It means a trip, day trip, or an excursion. And now it's time for a little exercise. Translate these sentences. Write your answers in the comments and get the chance to win a completely free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!